Heels on Wheels. In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, you'll hear from a young woman who enjoys riding her bicycle to work in heels. With that, here's TVJ's Kian Morgan.
A Ray of Hope. Shalisha McCarthy is a General Secretary in Kingston, and her means of transport to work is quite extraordinary. At 7:45 a.m. each day, Shalisha travels to work ambitiously on her favorite pair of wheels. A 25-minute journey she does every day in spike heels. A Ray of Hope recently caught up with Miss McCarthy, who has been trending on social media, to hear the genesis behind riding her bicycle to work.
I was at home and I forgot to go to the ATM, so I didn't have any fare. So I said, okay, but I have a bicycle, so why not ride it? And from then, it's history.
And not for a minute was she hesitant to do it. Shalisha became an online sensation after she was taped at a stoplight while cycling home one day in her office attire. For her, cycling in heels is a breeze.
Traffic on the road, but I know how to dilly-dally around that.
For her, it's more than a bicycle.
She's my baby. I go all over the place. I go to Alpha Tree, I go to the ATM, I go to Waltham. Whenever I want lunch at Juicy Bee for breakfast. Only place I have a ride to is country.
Her old-fashioned cycle, which she says was made in the 1960s, takes her from Kingston to as far as the Helsha Beach in Portmore St. Catherine. But riding out in the open comes with its own challenges, like getting wet or splashed when it rains. Coupled with that, Shalisha says that the feedback she gets from other road users isn't always positive. At times, she says some even try to intimidate her.
Motorists deliberately stopped in front of me, like they're blocking me, or they go to the nearest curve that I can pass. And I think it's funny to them, I'm not sure. Or they're telling me I'm a woman, what I'm doing on the road on a bicycle.
But with pride and confidence, Shalisha makes no apologies, especially for riding in a skirt.
I have backbones, so I know how to overlook things. I use the negativity in a positive light. I just move forward, you know?
Why? She amazed me.
You're not in a car or you're not in a bus. You can ride a bicycle because she do it just the same in her heels. Everything she do in her heels.
She's hoping others are inspired to follow her tracks as she aims to set a trend.
I'm happy that I can set an example to show women that we can do all things. I mean, never say you can't. From you put your mind to it and you're motivated, you can do whatever you put your mind to.
With A Ray of Hope, I am Kian Morgan.
A Ray of Hope.